Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I am John Whitbread of the Spotted app, and we have a wide array of amazing businesses on the business directory, and they all have lots of great tips, advice, and some brilliant information to share with us all. And today I have got Adrian Ganderton of TreeHouse Cakes. Good afternoon, Adrian.
Good afternoon, John.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you very much. Look, another nice day, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you as well. So, Adrian has got a great tip for us. What would you like to share with us, Adrian?
Oh, I've got a great, easy, classic Madeira cake recipe for you. I get so many questions and comments saying I can't make a cake myself, but this one is really easy and everyone can do it. Great.
Tell us, please. What is it? Okay. Don't keep me in suspense.
So what you'll need is 200 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of stork or butter. Stork is great for this. 50 grams of plain flour, 4 medium eggs at room temperature, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And it's very easy to do. Cream the butter and sugar together first. Add in the eggs, mix again, add in the flour, mix again for about 2 to 4 minutes so it's nice and smooth. Pour it into a greaseproof paper lined tin, about a 7-inch tin will do, and put it in the oven for 1 hour at 140 degrees. Check it after an hour. It probably won't be done. It could take another 30 minutes, but just check it at 10-minute intervals. So the way to tell if it's done, stick a skewer or a knife in it. If it comes out clean, it's done. Take it out. If it's still a bit soggy, leave it in for another 10 minutes. When it's done, take it out, leave it on the side for 5 minutes before tipping it out upside down on greaseproof paper. Leave it to cool, and that way you'll have a nice flat-topped Madeira cake ready to decorate.
That actually sounds quite easy. It's all ingredients that are in the cupboard, nothing fancy, none of these yogurts and all of that stuff.
No, there's all sorts of recipes, but that is classic one, and you can turn it into anything you like. So you can put lemon juice and lemon zest in it. You can replace plain flour with cocoa powder, add some melted chocolate in, and it is so versatile.
Brilliant.
You can put fudge pieces and apple bits in if you like.
What's the difference between a sponge cake and a Madeira cake? I've got to ask.
Okay, so vanilla Victoria sponge is quite light and fluffy. Madeira cake is a bit more solid and has probably more of a buttery flavour. It's definitely my preference, and it's the best base for celebration cakes as well.
So you use this recipe yourself then?
Absolutely, yeah, so, a lot.
So that leads me nice. I was like, what do you do, Adrian? You're not a plumber.
Okay. I'm not a plumber.
What do you do?
With these hands, I'm a cake designer based in the East Midlands, making celebration and wedding cakes. And basically, I sort of diversify a little bit as well. And last week, I launched a new service, which is chocolate brownies by post. So I can, mail 6, 12 or larger numbers by post anywhere in the UK. You can find those details on my Facebook page, and it's essentially 6 for £12 and 12 for £22, all including postage.
So
and it's going down the store.
Brownies delivered straight to the door. I haven't got to leave the house, and they're top class, and for 12 quid.
And it's great for current conditions because you can still get brownies or send them to a friend or colleagues,
or even like furloughed staff or something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. I've got sort of a customer who sent to us 150 employees who are either furloughed or working at home, sent them some brownies each with a nice message.
Wow, that's a lot. You're busy then with 150 employees to cater then.
Well, yeah. Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
No, I'll tell you what, I always thought it was a lot more difficult than that. That's a great recipe. I really appreciate you sharing that, Adrian. You're giving away your tips.
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, it's not a, it's not a secret recipe or, handed down or anything like that. But, there's so many options for recipes on the internet. And I found this one, I use an awful lot, and it's so easy.
Perfect. Exactly what we all need. We can all have a practice at that.
The results are so consistent as well.
Brilliant. And how do people get in touch with you then if they want to have a browse through what you offer and maybe even want to order some of these cakes then, these brownies, sorry?
Okay, so if they go onto my Facebook page, which is TreeHouse Cakes Adrian, they'll see my post on there about the brownies, different flavours and toppings, and confirming the prices as well. I do have a website, which you can see on the bottom of the screen. And or my email is adrian@treehousecakes.co.uk.
Adrian, I really, really appreciate you coming and sharing that recipe. Thank you very much. If anybody else has a great tip, nice, useful fact or useless fact, something interesting that you'd like to share with the world, get in touch. We've got a great string of videos all lined up for you. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the weather. Thank you again, Adrian, and I'll see you all again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks, John. Bye, everyone.